this building, but there's Ernst & Young here. It's in a building in Kokkola, probably Finland. I'm gonna check the address later. Smart the elevator. Huh? Huh? Smell. Oh, it smells like fresh stone. Try it. Huh? What is that? I mean, what is going on? Huh? Let's go to the second floor. Yeah, yes, yeah. Let's go there if it stands there. What? So, maybe the elevator was shy. Because of what we get built. Well, it's all typical. That's typical finish. Typical finish on it. From here, yes, it is accessible. Well, now we can look at the waterfalls. This one behaves very, very strangely. That's all scary. Those in 1977 VS 5048. Maybe we can try. This is there's not. Look at that. The button is stuck. It was stuck. That's why. 4 persons of 325 kilograms VS 5048. This was funny. I got this on video. This situation.
I also got it. The first floor is covered.
Yeah, it's not used. Oh, I pressed. It's like a pop-out button. Shall we take another ride?
Yes.
It will be inspected in 2021.
I thought it was someone who were trying to use this one.
Me too. But it wasn't. Then the pictures.
Inspekti vaakivaispita. Mä en tiedä, autossa on alle scripts.
1977.
Yeah.
All the doors.
That's